Yo, what is going on, friends? This is Rowan from Optimized Effects. Welcome to the end of week 4. All the results I'm going to lay out for you right now. And before I do, basically, if you haven't seen this channel before, just in a nutshell, what I'm doing is I'm back testing and forward testing 10 expert advisors to see how they're going to go over a long period of time. Right now, we're up to a month. We're going to review how they've done over a month and show the winners from the losers, basically, and let you guys comment down below which EA you would probably run live. Now, in front of me, I've got Currency Engine. It's one of my own EAs I've been developing, and I ran it live last week, and I gave updates in the Telegram as to how it went. You can also run it live if you want to. It is not done yet, but there is a demo, a working demo, where you can actually trade it live. I haven't restricted it. It's done extremely well, and I've mentioned it all in the Telegram, but there will be a separate video on Currency Engine, and I'll bring that out soon when I've finished finalizing how it's all going to look and work. So without further ado, let's get stuck into this video. So this video is going to be all about my thoughts on the 1 month period, on how all of these EAs have been trading, and we're going to see how they've all gone. So in front of me, we've got Currency Engine. We're not going to talk about it, but we're going to talk about the other EA, which we've been forward testing for a month now, and that's called Blessing 3. And it started off pretty rocky, I do say. Didn't have the right settings, and I only used 3 currency pairs. And out of the 3, only one of them I've had problems with, and that would be this one here called Euro JPY. As you can see, we did almost close all these bad trades, but it didn't quite close, and it didn't do any drawdown reduction or anything like that. And we're back down to where we started a week ago, or 2 weeks ago. I'm not sure. This is the 7th of February, so that's 2 weeks ago. So we're back down to here again. So if you're looking to probably do a swing trade, now might be a good time to open a buy. It's not financial advice, but we're at a previous level of support again. So, you know, it might go up, it might not. Who knows? We'll see what happens. But it is the last trading week of the month coming up next week. So there might be some movement, there might not be. Who knows? So what can I say about Blessing 3? In a nutshell, with the 2 currency pairs that it has been trading, because gold it didn't do anything with, it has been trading Pound USD and Euro USD. Currently there is some orders with Euro USD because we do have Currency Engine, which I left on here and I didn't realize it was trading. But Currency Engine is trading and Blessing is trading as well. So the results aren't really too skewed at all because I only had it running for like the last week or so. Yeah, Blessing did alright. We've got negative 215 open there and a $0.74 trade open with Blessing, and the rest is Currency Engine, and then the rest is Blessing with the Euro JPY, and that's the main bulk of this negative 810 here. And we can have a look at some trades. The last trades would have been Currency Engine. We can see here it's been trading AUD, Euro, USD and Pound USD. But yeah, we've got one here for Blessing, more Currency Engine, and then another one here for Blessing, a bit more for Blessing, and then yeah, that's when I kind of put the Currency Engine on. So yeah, it wasn't trading for very long, but all the rest here are all Blessing, and they've all been basically Pound USD and Euro USD, because it's just been stuck in this stupid Euro JPY symbol for such a long time, since it started basically, that it hasn't done anything with it, and all the rest is just Blessing. But yeah, unfortunately, yeah, it has made $177, but we are down 810 because of Euro JPY. So I think this EA is worth another test. So I'm not sure if the accounts are going to last another couple of weeks or whatnot, but I feel like resetting it and trying Blessing again, but with maybe different settings and different pairs, and we'll see how it goes then, because I'm impressed with it. I think we just had a really bad luck with Euro JPY and that setting that was on there. But all in all, If we didn't run that pair, it would be profitable. So $80 and $87 between those two pairs, and the AUD USD is just currency engine, so just disregard that. But I think it's worth another test. We did have a fair bit of drawdown on pound USD, negative 197, but Euro USD hardly any drawdown. It has made more money than it has been in drawdown, so it's a green 45% there, DDV profit, which is really nice. So I'm going to try it again in the next forward testing session. Rightio. Another one we can talk about here is Gold Scalping Expert. As you know, the first week we didn't have a great set file. I changed it. It ended up trading extremely well, and it did trade extremely well, but I thought let's push it a little bit last week, and I made it basically double the risk of what it was the week before. And by doing that, I'm not sure by doing that this happened, or if this just happened because it ran out of margin. I don't know, but we had a loss. We had a loss last week of negative $19 and negative 198. So for the week we're down $172, and it was the last trading day where that happened, which was the Friday. And there's buys. There's a buy here which closed in a loss here, I believe, and that's probably the negative 219. And if we have a look here, this happened right here. So yeah, I'm not exactly sure what happened. Maybe it does. According to the settings, it doesn't have a stop loss, but according to this, it stopped out, and it did actually make money. But what the weird thing is that has like three of the same trades, and then three, and then yeah, it's kind of odd. So I'm not sure why that happened. You know, it has a heap of trades here. It kind of went a bit mad, I think. Like there was a whole heap of orders here and orders here, and yeah, I'm not sure. So yeah, we'll have a look. But basically, I'm going to let it run for another week, and we'll see what happens again. I don't think it's entirely a bad thing, but then again, gold didn't really move too much last week. So if we have a look back here, it was kind of ranging in this range here. So it didn't really do too big of a moves like this. It didn't do anything like this. That was just from here to here, but there was a lot in between. So not exactly sure what happened, but we are down now. But yeah, all in all, going well. This one is the advanced gold trading, and I decided to run it again on $1,000, and it made 109 for the week, I believe. Let's have a look. Oh, it made $60 for the week. Made $60. So our max TD was negative 529, and yeah, it is going again. So we're going to see how it goes with a bigger account. I believe that $1,000 is probably the absolute minimum you'd want to be trading gold with, especially with this. And most gold strategies or EAs, if they're not a singular stop loss and take profit EA, you'll want to have a big account. Now we've got Stargog 3 Income EA. I've decided to try it again on another $500 account because it did blow up in week 2, at the end of week 2, and we've started it again. We can see that negative 519 for the month, but we made $25 for the week, and this max drawdown is correct. So I don't know if I'd trade it live. We had our max drawdown on gold, and Euro USD, it's done quite well, I believe. So I think maybe stick to currency pairs with this, and you're probably going to have a lot better time than you would with gold, because gold is just on a mission, as we know, to the moon, and there's not much reversals happening here in order for it to catch it out. So that's my 2 cents there. And then we have Quantum Teaks. This is one that I decided we'd try on 10k. It has done extremely well. We are up to 12,244, but our max drawdown was negative 7677. For the week, we made 294, and I'm talking about this could be like a cent account, so it'd be $2.94 if it was a cent account, which is not exactly great, but that's just how it is with this. We'll see how it goes. Then we have Apex EA, which is an EA that did start off extremely well, and unfortunately since then it has not done well at all. And for the week we've made $4.75 somehow. I don't know where that is in here. The account might be done, I'm not sure, but it's still going by the looks, so we'll see what happens next week. Then we have Finvesting EA. This is an EA that I've fixed on 0.1 lots from basically week 2, I believe, and we've got a max drawdown of negative 315, and for the week it did $91. Pretty solid, trading 2 pairs, Pound USD and Euro USD. Very, very solid. Very impressed with this. So for the month it's made $405 on a $1,000 account. Pretty good. Next we have the Casino, which is trading gold on M1. It is up $79 for the week. Our max drawdown has been pretty high at negative 817. Daily max drawdown was negative 21. So I'd really like to see the drawdown per day, which would be pretty cool here, but we don't have that. So I can't show you what the drawdown is per day to try and figure out which would be the day not to trade, kind of this. But yeah, Casino, we can see they're trading. It's going quite well. Would I trade this live? Probably not, but this is why we test. Next we have Europips Pro, which has been trading extremely well. We've made $33 for the week, and a total for the month $173 with a max drawdown of negative 326, and it is trading all of these pairs here, and you can see the profit for each pair. It has been pretty good. And last but not least, we've got an EA that I changed out. One was Blessing Light and it wasn't doing too much, so we've got the Semi HFT robot, which is replaced, and we're trading gold and Euro USD M1 time frame on a 10k account because I was advised it needed quite a big one. And for the week it's made $47, and we've had a max drawdown of negative 518, which is, I'm not sure is correct. That happened on the 31st of the 1st. So I don't believe that is correct. I might have to refresh this, and we'll get some better stats moving forward into next week. But that rounds up the video for today. Thank you very much for watching. And let me know if you want any more information on any of the EAs that I've talked about, or more information on Currency Engine, and I'll be around. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.